All right, so now I'm picking up where the other video left off. I'm making the videos not as long because then they don't take as long to upload. So, all right, so here's the homework. Again, I'm going to sandwich. I'm going to do 1 and I'm going to do 7. And then your homework is going to be 2 through 6. So number 1, it says e to the 2x plus 3 equals 40. So we have e to the 2x plus 3 is equal to 40. So I need to get x out of this exponent. Now guys, there's a couple of ways you can do this, but one of the best ways out there is to use the log laws. And here we are going to use the power rule because of the x being in the exponent. Now the power rule, if you remember, if I have the power rule, I'll write over here, just an example, power rule. If you had x to the a power equals, I don't know, b, and you put a log on x to the a and a log on b, you're allowed to do that. You could do the same thing to both sides of an equation as long as you do the same thing. Now the power rule takes that exponent down in front. So here's the power rule with a common log. Now I can also do the power rule, let's take the same example, with the natural log. Again, as long as I do to both sides, if I put a natural log on x to the a and I put a natural log on b, guess what? Power rule is still going to happen. A times the natural log of x equals natural log of b. So the power rule, most important rule, I said that before, I'll say it till I turn blue in the face. If I am now going to solve this, I will put a natural log on e to the 2x plus 3, and I will put a natural log on 40. Now what happens here? This entire exponent comes down in front. So now I have 2x plus 3 multiplied by the natural log of e is equal to the natural log of 40. Now, the natural log in e, these are inverses. Inverses cancel. So now I have 2x plus 3 is equal to the natural log of 40. These are all numbers, by the way, guys. Natural log of 40, you're going to type it in. It's going to be a number. So if I'm going to solve this now, maybe it would be helpful for you to take your calculator, whatever calculator you have, and let's just type in the natural log of 40. Look, it's this big number, 3.688879454. Now I'm going to keep that on my calculator because now I'm going to minus 3 from both sides. And the left is 2x. And now with this number on the right, I'm going to minus 3 and hit enter. And now I have 0.68887945541. I'm going to divide both sides by 2. And x is 0.33. Whoa, sorry about that. Wrote that wrong. Let's get rid of that. That would be 0.34443977271. And they then tell you on the directions, round to the nearest thousandth. Tens, hundreds, thousandths. I look at the hundred thousandths. X is approximately 0.344. So thousandths are 3 decimal places. So that is problem number 1. Let's take a look at problem number 7. So problem number 7 is 6e to the negative 10r. So now number 7 is 6e to the negative 10r is equal to 63. Well, the R is an exponent on E, but these guys are connected with multiplication. Now remember, PEMDAS, order of operations. When you solve, we start back here. Now there's no adding or subtracting. Move along. There's multiplication division right here. There's multiplication, I better divide. Let me divide by 6. And now I have e to the negative 10r is equal to 10.5. Now I did the multiplication division. I'm moving on. Exponent. All right, here's my exponent. The only way I'm getting r out of the exponent is with a log. So natural log of e to the negative 10r is now equal to the natural log of 10.5. Power rule takes my exponent down in front. Negative 10r times natural log of e is equal to, now the natural log of 10 is again a number. Let's type that in. Natural log of 10.5 is 2.35. Now, I'm not going to write the whole thing. I'm keeping it on my calculator. 2.351375, and I'm out of room, so I'm going to keep this on my calculator. These guys cancel their inverses, so now I have to divide by negative 10 on both sides. And then r will be, divide by negative 10. R is negative 0.235137527. But again, rounding to the thousandths. Here's the thousandths. I look at the 10,000ths. And r is negative 0.235. All right, so there is number 1 solving and number 7 solving. Use the notes and use that e and the natural log are inverses of one another, and please do 2 through 6 on the homework side. Thank you.